if we want to edit this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the text editor widget. We can see the content settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. By going back to content, we can change the text from over here. I'm going to duplicate this text in order to have 2 paragraphs. We can create text with AI from over here, like so. We can customize the text that we already have with those options over here, or create a new text by using a new prompt. We have columns from over here and column gap from over here. By going to style, we have the alignment from over here. The text color, we can use global colors from over here or custom one from over here. Typography, global fonts from over here or custom one from over here. We can change the font family from over here, the size from pixel to something else from over here, and the size per se from over here. The weight from over here, we can transform it if we want to. The style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. Let's click over here to go back to default. We have text shadow from over here, color from over here with the opacity from over here, the blur, the horizontal distance, and the vertical distance. Let's click over here to go back to default. And we also have paragraph spacing. By going to advanced, we can see that we have padding set to percentage and to 25 to the right. That's why we have this space over here.